All right, we've got our update on lot 20 again, and they've come quite a ways. This looks completely different than it did when we were here last. Now it's starting to give it some shape with the roof line and everything. Very pretty, looks awesome. They're going to be drying this in here pretty soon with windows and some roofing material, shingles on top and everything. But look how much this has changed since then. This is awesome. All the walls are in now. It'll really be coming along here really soon. It's looking great. Let's take a look at the back here. So, let's sneak through here first real quick so you guys can see this. I've always liked these little carports. I had a house before that had a carport, and basically that's where we had our hurricane parties. We're in the carport in the garage. But see, this is all going to be covered, just like I said, real nice. And let's see what it looks like from over here. Oh yeah, it's a big house. It's going to look awesome, and we'll update you guys here in a little bit. Probably another couple days. They'll be putting glass in it and doors on it. It'll be a little bit harder to get into it, but we'll make sure that we get in it and update everybody. This thing has several different roof lines. It's really nice and real pretty. It's gonna be a beautiful home. Just to let you guys know also, I was just told that this is not going to be a model. They'll use it for a very short time, but it's going to be a spec home, so it's going to be available right away. So I'd say into July, maybe a little bit longer, but I would guess about that time. So let me know what you guys think.